click to start and type device manager and right click to open it. Now find out the Wi-Fi wireless, extract the network, and you can see wireless means this is a Wi-Fi. Right click to uninstall and click to uninstall. Okay, and then click to hardware and then close it. Next, forget the reconnect the Wi-Fi, then click to start setting, then click to network and internet, then Wi-Fi. Okay, and then manage non-network and click to forget it. Okay, forgot and then close, click to forget and then close, and then again click to icon and then connect again same network. Okay, then next, reset the network stuck, so click to start, type PowerShell, right click to run as administrator, then yes, then I have some command to type like this: net start winstock reset and then hit enter. Okay, so this is accept and you can enter the manually. Then this is second one, net insert IP reset. Okay, and now this is last of here, DNS flush. Okay, so you can see ip.config ipconfig spaceless DNS flush, then hit enter. Okay, and then close it. Now click to open any browsers, Google search box to type HP 250G, and this is official website, so you can, so if you are using different, so no worry. If you using suppose HP and other website, so you can search like that, change your model number. Okay, then slow down, select Windows 10 because Windows 11's options is not showing, that's why. Chipset, network, graphic card. Now you can extract the driver and network. Okay, so VLAN means this is a Wi-Fi driver. Wireless LAN means also Wi-Fi driver. Okay, wireless, so try to this one. Okay, click to download. Now it is started and it is done, then it will show like that. Then click on this icon .exe, then click for yes, then next, accept, next, next. Now this is installing via command, and if it close then it is installed. Okay, and then close it. Then last is very important method. Click on start, then type cmd, run as administrator, right click to, after that click on yes. Then this four command I will give you in the descriptions. This is most important for the resolve the issue. Just copy and type it. If it is not copy, so you have to type to manual. So this is first command, and all the 100% completed. After that, try next command, so it is completed. Then next, first, second, third and fourth, so one by one try it. So if it is stuck, so you just click here and then type enter. Okay, and then restart your system and then check it.